1 2 1 2 testing 1 2 blah 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 blah.
Yep, can hear you.
I'm testing my microphone.
Yep, it's perfectly fine. Coming in loud and clear.
All right.
Are you gonna be able to hop in, Trippy, or are you
No, I gotta take a bus. I'll be home in well, maybe I'll be home in 30 minutes. I mean, I'm gonna be on. I'm on the phone. I charged my phone just for this, so I'll be on.
Oh yeah.
But
Well, you'll have time.
I don't know.
Or you should.
Yeah, I'll be home in 30, 40 minutes roughly.
While you guys are at it, do y'all have a wallet and wallet ready on GovTool, sanchogov.tools? No, you don't.
That is what I'm getting ready.
No, yeah, that's a negative to me.
Okay, then real quick, that tutorial is going to be really easy because it is really easy. So you go on sanchogov.tools and then you click on facts, and then you go into the getting started, get a compatible wallet, and the two wallets that works right now are NUFI and Eternl. Pretty much.
All right.
These are the only ones. So you get them, you install them in your browser, and then from there you can refresh, connect your wallet. I'm gonna use Eternl. No account set. Oh, right. I have to connect it. Give me a second. There it is. I activate it like this. I get back to.
And that's a SanchoNet wallet. You can in Eternl, it's at the bottom right hand corner if you
Yep.
want to change which network you're on for the wallets.
Yes, sir. There it
You
is.
said the
very cool
bottom
feature.
right-hand corner, you could change. Oh, got you.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
click
if
on
you
that
click
and
that,
then
you can.
you can select the network. And
Oh, okay. So you could do testnet. You could do.
yes, but
Yeah,
it's
it's that easy to create a SanchoNet wallet.
I have to mention it's
Perfect.
the Eternl beta. So you have to get it from the SanchoGov website into the FAQ getting started.
Got it. Is that a different what is it called? Well, is that a different Eternal? What do they call it? The wallets that are on your dashboard or you're on your desktop.
Yeah, it's the same. It's the same interface. The very same one.
Okay.
Look,
No, but it's a different version because I have Eternal on my computer right now.
it is a Eternl beta. So you have to
Okay.
get this. Well, you can have both, right? It won't clash with the one that you already have. So you just get
Yeah,
it.
especially because it's going to be only testnet stuff. Gotcha.
Yes, but it works. It works. You just have to
Okay.
make sure to select SanchoNet at the bottom right for Eternl, or if
Yeah.
you wanted to, inside the compatible wallet, you can get NUFI. But the NUFI, when you click on it, it opens up a download and you get a zip file. So wherever you put it, download for example, then you can open it. You get into download, you right click on the zip file, you extract everything, and then when it's extracted, you go into your browser, in the extension up there, actually hold on, in the extension up there and manage your extension. It's going to be written in English because mine is in French. Manage your extension, you click on that, and then you can load unpacked extension. You click on this, and then you just have to select your NUFI. You double click that, and it's just going to install it, and that's done. You get your NUFI wallet. Eternl is way easier than that. You could just
Yeah, I'm gonna go through the Eternal.
you just click on it, and you download the wallet extension.
Oh, it's even got a different little logo. Eternal beta. Okay.
Beta.
Yeah.
That's correct.
That's like their most cutting edge stuff that they're working on.
So when you're done, and when you get your wallet ready, you got to make sure to refresh the sanchogov.tools page to make sure that it sees your wallet. Or else when you're going to click on Connect Wallet, you won't see it. So now I click on Connect Wallet. I see Eternl. Actually, I closed it. So I'm going to open up open it again. Make sure that this little connection cord is connected there. And then you connect wallet, Eternl, and that's it. I'm already registered. Maybe I should retire and register again. What do you think? Yeah, I'm gonna go through these steps again. That's better, I think. So I'll unregister it.
Oh, so this is going to be used for a video, Mike?
What's that?
Is this going to be used for a video, or are you just doing this for the workshop today?
Yeah, that's for the workshop only, but
Okay.
I do record them as well. I have a playlist for workshop for whoever is bored and wants to know what we do.
There's a video on this already, isn't there? This content for.
Yes, but we failed and we couldn't vote. The reason
Oh,
is
okay.
the reason why we could not vote last time was because I got it somewhere here.
Oh, so there isn't a video on YouTube of this process currently?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay.
You see here.
Oh, that's right. Sorry. Yeah, you told me about this.
Yeah, that was before, right? Because when you wanted to vote, the Eternl wallet was only signing with the payment credential, so you couldn't vote because it wouldn't sign with your DREP credentials as well, like this here.
Gotcha.
So we told them and they patched it. Like it was pretty quick, man. Like within an hour he patched it, and he said, "Okay, go ahead, try it now," and it worked. And I was pretty amazed by their efficiency, actually.
Oh, Eternal is very impressive.
Yeah, they're some, they're good. So yeah, so I got this wallet ready, connected. So on sanchogov.tools, once it's connected, I could just register, continue. I'll be private, skip, register, and then it will open up a transaction like this. So to register as a DREP, I need to pay 500 data deposit plus the fee. So I'll sign it like this, and it's done. So I'll have to wait for the transaction to process into a block.
Mike, would you say it's correct? Like, so is it accurate that SanchoNet GovTool is doing what we were kind of looking at yesterday? It's running that in just a user-friendly, accessible way. You're not running a full node, but this gives you the access as if you had your own node in a way. But they're doing it all for you, all that technical stuff.
It's your wallet and their transaction.
But they're technically like a layer between, the actual DREP and the chain in the future. An application like this, even though it's transparent, you can see what you're signing.
Yeah.
They're technically still between you and your vote.
Yes, but you do own the keys that you use to sign those votes. So technically, yeah,
you have
in
to
a way,
sign, but there could be some deceptive, like, hidden stuff.
Yes. They if they wanted to, they could cheat and show you. Well, no, actually, you go. Oh, okay, wait, no, because you go through. There's the GovTool and there's also Eternl, and they're not affiliated. So, what GovTool show you on their website, if it's not what's the actual transaction does, then Eternl is gonna tell you the truth when it's time to sign it.
Yeah.
So to do something malicious, they would have to both get together to do something malicious to you. If that was the case. Yes.
It's unlikely, but it's just kind of interesting, to think about with governance. If it was some type of treasury withdrawal and they were able to just.
But even that, if you eventually use a hardware wallet, then there's three. Because if your hardware wallet goes through Eternl, then the ones that build the transaction is Eternl, and you go through sanchogov.tools, but you have to sign it through your ledger, for example, and your ledger is not going to lie to you. It's just going to tell you what it is. And if it's something malicious, like a no vote instead of a yes, for example, or a yes instead of a no, you would know. You would know before signing.
That's true. Yeah.
Yeah, so, anything can
You
happen.
just got to be diligent either way.
You have to look at what you sign. I'm registered. I'll just delegate to myself. If it's not already done, delegate to a D-rep. Other option. Select this to delegate to a D-rep. Am I delegated to myself already? Oh, yes,
So
I am.
if
My
we,
delegation doesn't change. That's true. I unregistered my D-rep, but the delegation acts like a sticky stake. It's delegated to a credential, but if I unregistered a credential, then my voting power goes as if it was abstained. So that's why I don't have to redelegate. But normally you register your D-rep and you have to delegate to yourself after. But this is already done. So this is why I got my voting power right here.
And that's why it's a similar mechanism, right? When you delegate your ADA to a stake pool, when you delegate your ADA to a D-rep, it really is like a two-pronged delegation from the same ADA. In the future, it will be.
It's the very same thing. Okay, so I'll go to governance action and I'll look right away, just like that, for the protocol parameter change. And that's probably the one I'm looking for. Expiry date, yeah, that's the one. It expires on the 8th of May. And this is the cost model for the Plutus V3 here. So I want to vote yes on that. And if you do have an Eternl wallet, I suggest you do the same. Yes.
The transaction ID, Mike, should start with 6BFF.
No,
if I'm thinking of the right.
It expired. It expired yesterday. They submitted a new one today.
Yeah, I'm looking at the Discord right now. I thought he shared it this morning.
Give me a second.
Real quick, I got a question. If I go and register my Eternl Beta wallet, do I need to delegate to someone specific, or should I? I don't know.
Delegate to yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's an option for that. Delegate to myself.
Got it.
No, actually, look. You see here. That's from yesterday. Vote required. This is the one. The third attempt. And it finished with 3FOF. And if I look here, 3FOF. That's the one.
Real quick, if you go to the SPO channel, Mike, do you see what Carlos shared this morning? Because I'm just curious. It looks like he shared another in the SPO SanchoNet channel. I think you're in the D-Rep channel right now.
Yeah, it's here.
Oh, okay.
The SPO channel. Okay, hold on. Current count to see if committee.
Oh, he was.
No, that's another one. That's the update committee.
Okay, my bad. I was getting them confused.
To get CF folk, yeah, they want some more. Yeah, we could vote. We're gonna vote on that too.
Okay.
Yeah.
My bad.
So I'll build a transaction for you with the script D-rep, and I'll put those two governance actions in it.
Oh, sweet.
And yeah, we have to do that tonight because I've been asked by Carlos because we have a shitload of delegations. We have to deserve
nice,
it.
Man. Sounds fun.
We
yeah.
have to deserve it. Okay. Sorry. So for the vote, yes. Scroll down. As simple as that. Vote, and I'll sign it. So what is it? I'm just going to look at it. Witness set. I don't see the witness because I didn't sign it. Yeah, of course. Duh. All right. I'll sign it. Tier count. Yeah, I'll be able to see it after. We'll see. It's processing the thing. I'll look over there. Transaction. It's pending. It's there. Invalid?
Invalid.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Okay. Okay, we're good. Witness set. So you see here, I got my 2 witnesses. That's what was missing last time. So we got our DREP witness and the payment witness required to pay for the fees. So we did vote, so it should be there. Normally, if I get back to governance action, I scroll up and I go into voted, it's there. There it is.
Yeah, very cool.
All right. So this part is done. Who do we got here? Hey, it's Puppy.
Good old puppy.
Hey, Puppy, if you want to vote on the protocol parameter change for the Plutus v3 cost model, Eternl is fixed, and also NUFI wallet works. If you want to.
I'll share.
That was actually pretty quick because I like barely took 20 minutes to do that.
I'm gonna share the link to the SanchoNet wallet download page.
I haven't tried with NUFI. I could give it a try. I'm gonna close this one.
How much setup was required?
About 2 days. No, I'm kidding.
What? No.
I'm joking. You could probably do it in 20 minutes or less.
Yeah, this isn't dataless.
Yeah, you just start your wallet pretty much, right? You just go into fact again, and you go into getting started, get a compatible wallet. Just grab Eternl. You grab it, you start a wallet. That's actually the longest part, is to, write down your seed phrase, and then when your wallet's open.
I love to live dangerously. I don't write it down.
Yeah, you could
Puppy. I shared the
It's-
link in the Sancho testnet channel. If you want to click through, you're like a 1 click away from.
Nice.
We just did that with the Eternl wallet beta, which is it's really seamless. And then he's gonna run through it with the NUFI wallet now.
Yeah, NUFI. Gonna try it. See if it works. Connect wallet, NUFI. So I got the thing there. Password. Let's try it. Gonna try to change my vote. Connect. Yes.
Why
That's
is
good.
it prompting you for that?
It shows my voting power. That's the same wallet. Works fine. Governance action. Voted. It's there. If I change my vote to, let's say, abstain, and then I'm gonna change it back after. Change my vote. Sign it. Oh, actually, okay, I don't have to provide a password. That's pretty safe. Cool. Okay. Remember my password. It's
That's
there.
funny.
It's in progress. It looks like it works.
It's working great, huh, Mike? I mean, it's really fast and pretty
Yeah.
seamless right now.
So you want to be DREP, you want to try those things and vote. That's the way you do it, and it's right there. Oh,
Why?
accessible.
Oh, submitted.
Submitted there. It is done, but it doesn't look good. I want to change that. I don't want an abstain vote on something that I find useful. So, oh my God, that's not what I wanted to do. I'm gonna try to change my vote.
Were any of you guys else required to sign into Google to access the web store?
For the Eternl wallet, you mean?
Yeah.
You want to access this from the web store?
That's where the link took you for which wallet?
Eternl.
I thought he sent you.
Huh? I just clicked through to the link and it
Yeah, you just click the link and it's gonna send you directly there to get the wallet. Eternal
It
beta.
sends you to. It sends you to
Yeah, the Chrome Web Store.
Store.
That's correct. Yes. You just
Yeah,
grab it.
when
Oh.
I click on that, it prompts me to log into Google.
Oh yeah, it's like it's a Google Chrome extension. So it probably wants you to.
Yeah, I'm already logged in here.
Yeah, that's
So
a
yeah,
good point.
that's quite possible.
No, the weird part is I'm already logged in. It doesn't recognize I'm logged in.
Oh, are you using your normal browser and everything?
Yeah.
Kind of seems like a browser
Maybe you
thing to
got too
me.
many cookies or something.
I don't know.
Yeah, too many cookies.
It seems
So,
sketchy to me.
do you like? Do you like?
It didn't do that for me, so that is odd.
No, it didn't do
Like
that
all
for me.
shenanigans.
Do you
I'm
like?
not trying to defraud you, I promise, puppy.
Do you like watching porns? Sometimes.
Wait, what?
I'm just.
This took a direction that I was not ready for.
Yeah, Mike's
You
a
know
sick
what?
puppy, man.
Maybe-
he's
maybe-
he's a sick puppy.
Maybe a webhook. I don't know. I'm sorry. Yeah, it works great for me. You know what? You could just grab the NUFI extension. Actually, it's just gonna.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
try
you,
NuFi.
you could just download it, right? So if you get back and click on the NUFI, then it will just open up the zip file. So from that zip file, you could just grab the web extension from it directly. It works great. I did both, like right now, using it. It's good. It works great. So now I'm gonna change my vote to yes, because I don't want to abstain on that. Change my vote, and then I just have to sign it with NuFi without the password. So let's do this, and there you go. That's done. In progress.
Very cool.
I thought it would take longer to do that. Actually not. Do you guys have any questions? Because it was pretty simple, right? I mean, we all know how to open up a wallet.
Yeah, no, I might have a couple along the way, but I'm not. I'm gonna try it first.
What I would like to try, I didn't try it on mobile. And since it's a wallet extension, I'm pretty sure I can install it on my mobile. That'll be nice to try this, like playing with SanchoNet while I'm at work instead of working.
That's interesting. Check this out, Mike. I just
all right.
I printed this out. I guess you can't see the details, sorry. But it's Ryan's CIP about the Constitution. Have you
Constitution.
checked that out?
I started to read it while I was hiding in the toilets.
I'm gonna hit it with the highlighter this evening,
While I was
and just try to give him some input if I can.
Where did you get that?
He shared it in the Discord, I think. It's just a GitHub entry, and it's
Okay.
focused on.
yeah, you can grab it from the Cardano
Yeah, I definitely want to check that out. That's just one of many, I'm assuming, right?
It's a pull request. Right now it's in the form of a pull request. So you go into the Cardano repository for SIP pull request, and it is this one, Constitution specification. They changed it because they changed it. That's the SIP 120. So I was gonna ask them why not 420 instead, but
What?
I wasn't game to do it.
So yeah, so
Hey,
this
man.
specific. Oh yeah, sorry. Go ahead, puppy.
There's a check mark here that says I need to confirm that no one's can see my screen. Should I start screen sharing so that they can say that I'm violating that?
Yeah, go ahead. We'll walk you through it.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
It's a testnet wallet, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, this is SanchoNet. We can, we rob each other and we try to break things and we share each
Form
other's
dictatorships.
seed address. Yeah. Actually, I was gonna write that in the SanchoNet constitution somewhere that if you join SanchoNet, it is required that you provide your seed phrase to the said dictator, and
It's
Okay,
a good
I'll
idea.
just
he's
post
he's
it
Sneak it
got
in
all
there.
right to do everything with your money.
I'll
Yeah.
just post it on Reddit, and yeah.
Yeah, so this is it, guys. If you want to see it, I'm going to send a link into the SanchoNet channel, and it's written by my SanchoNet nemesis, Ryan.
Why is he your nemesis?
It's a long
Because he's
story.
British?
No, actually, because
Oh.
he's the one who first started to spam the chain with governance actions, and the first time it happened, I was confused because they were all sharing the same ID, and I couldn't understand how he did this. So we tried during like 2 or 3 workshops. If you go back into the first videos, it's right there. Like we're all of us are checking at this, and then we're like, how did he do that? And we didn't know it was him. Um, we were just like concerned because like whoever did that
He's a maverick.
didn't report it, and we're like, yeah, okay, there's somebody out there who tries to who's planning on breaking stuff on mainnet. So I tried to reproduce that, and I couldn't. So what I did is that I to fight it, I made my first batch voting script to vote no on each one of these
Hmm.
governance actions index, and then it went back and forth between me and him, and then I think it's Sam told me it was him. So it was like a duel, a
It
governance
was like
duel.
when a comic book hero like takes the mask off the villain
Yeah.
at the end, you know?
Anyway, so just
I feel like
yeah,
I feel like I just made the dumbest wallet.
No, it's not dumb. You're gonna be a D-rep.
No, no, you don't understand. Just
Do you want to?
what I named it, and then just you don't understand.
Well, how could I? I don't know the name.
I named it Scary Wallet.
scary wallet.
Scary Wallet.
Okay, you made a wallet.
And
You called it.
then,
Okay.
So, you're gonna create a D-rep now, right? I guess here
okay, I have a
we'll show you
wallet,
the next step.
but
Yeah,
I
you guys
have
need
no
to do
I
it.
have no ADA.
Hey, Mr.
I guess I
Keta.
need to go to the faucet.
Okay, there you go.
Good evening.
Just so you know, the wallets
I
works
have a
now.
wallet.
They patched it.
I
The
have a wallet. Sorry, Mike.
Yeah, they patched the. I don't know if you were there last time. They patched Eternl wallet, so if you go back to sanchogov.tools and get it, the Eternl beta wallet works to vote. And if you could, it would be very nice of you to vote yes on the protocol parameter change proposal to add the Plutus V3 cost model on SanchoNet. We failed 3 times, actually. That's the no, we failed 2 times. That's the 3rd attempt. So the first 2 governance action expired because we couldn't make it.
It was the SPOs, right?
Nope,
It was their fault.
D-reps.
Oh, it was D-reps. Okay, I thought not enough stake pools voted.
Stake pool operators cannot vote on protocol parameter change unless they are in the special list of the PP
Oh,
security
that's right.
group. And in that case,
Gotcha.
Yeah. So if you need any help, it's the best time to do it. So you open up sanchogov.tools, and if you don't already have your wallet, if you have Eternl beta, it should normally automatically update itself. And if you look at the bottom of the screen, here, at the very bottom of the wallet, you should see version 1.12.3.16, which is the patched version.
Are you kidding me? I forgot to switch that.
What's that?
I forgot to switch.
The SanchoNet here?
I forgot to switch to SanchoNet. I was creating it.
Yeah, I did that too,
Junk
and
wallet.
you have to restore your wallet again. I've been there. It's actually kind of funny. As soon as you change network, you lose your wallet. And then you went to restore it, it worked, and you're like, I don't have my money. Oh man, I forgot to do that. And then you switch, and then you lose your wallet.
So a bunch of whatever. I just sent some I guess I just tried to send some test ADA to mainnet.
Well, it shouldn't have gone through, right?
If it's the same wallet,
I don't know. It did give me an error.
If it's the same wallet,
it did give me an error message.
Oh yeah, if you if you went through the mainnet, yeah, of course. That's The error message was like you don't have any funds, right? Because technically on mainnet you don't have.
No, it was just it showed me a transaction.
On mainnet.
No, so like I went to the faucet, the SanchoNet faucet, and I gave it an address for mainnet.
No, that's good. That's good. Actually, even okay, if you create a wallet, use the same seed phrase. Restore it because they use the same. It comes from the same. How can I phrase that? It's gonna work. The wallet, the addresses that you generate from that wallet because of your seed phrase are gonna be the same, whatever blockchain or
it just changes my prefix, doesn't it?
Yeah. But if you restore the same wallet on SanchoNet, that transaction has been done on SanchoNet. When you restore it, you will see your funds. They will be there. It's gonna work.
Okay, I guess I have to redo a scary wallet.
Yeah, you can change the name, right? I mean, the name doesn't matter.
No, it's going to stay scary wallet.
What was it? Now that you're all there, I can talk to you about it. Oh wait, I need to focus on my password. Hold on.
I can tell you my password.
No, it's a seed phrase.
I should tell you the password is also a joke. So like, if anyone wants to compromise this wallet, they can go ahead.
Yay.
Okay, do you want my seed phrase?
Nah, you can keep it.
Oh, I thought you just wanted to vote for me.
I'll delegate to you, puppy.
If you guys have any questions or there's anything you would like to know on how to vote on the governance action we talked about. Hey, actually.
So is it a real?
Oh yeah.
Is it a real government action, or is it kind of just a play reaction?
No, it's a real one. It's a real one
legit,
on testnet. It's because without the cost model, we cannot build with the Plutus V3 smart contract. And there's a lot of people waiting for that to actually build on SanchoNet and test it. But they can't because there's no cost model. And we're trying very hard to to add it to the protocol parameters. But we have to vote yes because SanchoNet fully decentralized now. And decentralized with some script that has 20 million voting power. But talking about that, I'm going to start building the
Can you prove it to me?
transaction. Actually, I was just no wait. Yeah, I have to do the old thing. If I send you the witness, Van, would you be able to sign it like right away and send it back to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So that's gonna be done. So again, if you guys can, it would be greatly appreciated if you could vote on the protocol parameter change here.
Yeah, I'm working on that right now. I had actually been set up prior on Lace Wallet and hadn't been in there in a while, so I got to move my stuff over to Eternl so I can get in the vote.
Awesome. Yeah, NUFI works well. I just tried with Eternl and NUFI. Both are great. Demo wallet, I wouldn't try it. I don't know what that is. Demo wallet. I think it's a version of Nami. No, Nami is right there. Coming soon. Actually, I'm very surprised that Lace is not ready. But hey.
Okay, it looks like I currently don't have funds in this wallet.
Did you query from the faucet?
I typed in the same seed phrase that I mentioned earlier.
Here,
Okay,
I'll share the link to the.
give me your wallet address. I didn't ask for any money from the faucet today, because if you do it again, it's not gonna work. There's a rate limit of 24 hours with your IP, so unless you change your IP, it's not gonna work. So just share it to us, and
Okay.
I'll
I'll do very sneaky.
change your IP address. You'll be fine. Or just give it to us. We'll do it for you. Yeah.
All right, I just pulled up in the house.
Oh, nice.
Yes, sir.
Some dude on the bus. I was actually kind of like worried that he was gonna try to fight me because I said he was drunk, but I was like, "Oh, should I delegate?" I said delegate, and then all of a sudden he's like, "Oh, you're trying to use fancy words?"
I didn't change my IP. What are you talking about? I didn't just put in another transaction.
Like out of nowhere.
That's why public transportation can get dicey,
Oh
man.
my, it gets super dicey.
Um,
Okay.
I don't know if I
just
should tell you
requested-
guys. I made a script. Should I?
just requested more.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you. I'm just gonna say it.
Oh, this is exciting.
Me and Johnny are once again going to attack SanchoNet. It's called
This
hacking
is exciting.
because
Give it everything you got.
Is it ethical?
It is.
Is it?
Well, yeah, yes. If it wasn't, I would wait with my script for it to be on mainnet, and I would do that on mainnet. But no, yeah, actually, it's
Okay, there we go.
it's a theory.
Okay, so I got my funds. So let's see. Navigate over to the Gov tool. Connect my wallet.
So what are you guys gonna do, Mike? What's the attack?
Okay, I'm gonna ask you a question. Test your knowledge.
Oh shit.
What certificate doesn't require a deposit? Okay, I'm gonna say it like this. What credential doesn't require a deposit?
Oh,
Group DREP.
No, you need a deposit for DREPs.
What about like a reviewer? I don't know.
Yeah, you'll get it eventually, I'm
How
sure.
many, di- how many different credentials are there?
for wallets?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Not only wallet, actually, there's a lot. You need for certificates. You have a deposit for. Are we talking just
think
specifically
of
about
Freeman, though.
credentials? Credentials for stake pools, you got three.
I can think of 3 of them.
Three credentials
Yeah.
for stake pools. There's a credential as well for your stake address. There's set of credentials for your payments. There's credentials for DREPs. There's credentials for CC. And
What is it?
yeah, you need a deposit for DREP, you need a deposit for stake pool, you need a deposit to register your stake address as well, but you do not need a deposit to authorize your hotkeys as a CC. So what it means is that the only way the chain will recognize, the ledger will recognize that you are actually a CC amongst the ones that are not, is that if the last, or not, actually if in your governance state of the ledger, there is your cold key hash in it. So if I submit
Okay,
an authorization cert with invalid cold keys, they will be dropped on epoch boundary. So during the old epoch, they will still be there. They will be on the committee state of the ledger. You will be able to see them, but they will be invalid. And they will be removed on the epoch boundary. So how many can we submit inside an epoch? And now there's some calculation. So an epoch on SanchoNet is 86,400 slots, which are seconds. And if you divide that by an average of 20 seconds per block, then you get 4,000 something blocks per epoch. And if I fill each one of these blocks with as many authorization cert that I can, it's 50 per transaction, 20k per transaction, and inside a block of 80k, I could have 200 certificate per block. Multiplied by 4,000 something, I would get about 864,000 credential per day that I can.
So you're creating a ton of cold keys? Is that what you said? Or CC?
864,000 invalid cold keys, credentials, and hotkeys credential, and I spam the chain.
Endlessly, basically.
Yes.
So you can just keep going because there's no limit.
Well, the goal is to break something, always. And if we can break it,
Wow,
we can
that's
fix it.
interesting. Okay.
But I don't think that's gonna work because the sad part is that it gets removed at the epoch boundary, and an epoch on SanchoNet is 1 day. It's not 5 days, because if it was
Oh, yeah.
5 days, that would be nice, because it wouldn't be 864,000 credential that I would have submit. It would be 4.3 millions,
Right.
and it's cheap because I don't have any deposits. So it's only the transaction fee.
So what should I do? Should I use my voting power or should I register as a DREP?
Oh yeah. You connected your wallet?
You could do both.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, become a DREP and then you delegate to your own DREP.
Yes, that was the first goal. I don't think that's gonna work. It's just that the removal part, does it require a lot from the ledger? I don't know. It's never been done before, and we're gonna try it because it's cheap, and I can do it with a single wallet, with a single query. But the second thing I'm preparing, and this is going to be ready very soon, is I want to reproduce the mainnet in terms of voting, delegations, and all that. Because we won't only be delegated to stake pool, we want to be delegated to DREPs as well, and there's going to be calculations in the vote with all the amounts of stake. And using the same technique, I can submit 4.3 million stake credentials within 5 days, and within the 5 next days, I will send found to those. And within the other 5 days, I will make them delegate to DREPs and stake pool operators.
Using scripts for all that? Like you would just build a giant script for that, or what?
Yes, and
I mean, you'd have to. Yeah.
every single block, that's the minimum amount of time, because that will require us to almost fill 80K per block for 15 days to reproduce the amount of wallets that we have on mainnet, but it can be done. And we're going to have on SanchoNet 4.3 million active wallets delegated to
That's
stake pools
interesting.
and DREPs. And
Wow.
I'm going to pump those numbers, man.
That's impressive. Yeah, that's a great idea.
But to do that, I will need help from Carlos or Sam, because my calculations told me that I will need 43.8 million fake ADA to be able to do that. That's the minimum amount, but if I want a respectable amount of, let's say, 28 per wallet, I will need 83 million point something. I don't have the right numbers, but fake ADA. And it's gonna take 10 to 15 days to generate on SanchoNet. But the goal again is to trigger calculations and see what happens if we can find some bugs and glitches and stuff like that, because I would like to be able to see that on testnet instead of mainnet, and then realize that, oh my god, it's not gonna work, it's broken, right? So
yeah,
I'd rather break the testnet than the mainnet. And
of course,
these are actual numbers that we have on mainnet. We have like 4.3, 4.4 wallets. That's the reality of the mainnet, and I want to bring that to SanchoNet. And I want to, test those boundaries with real numbers. So yeah, I'm almost done with this. Actually, the attack script is already it's ready. It's just I have to coordinate with Johnny to do it at the very beginning of the epoch, to be sure that we submit as many credentials as we can within 24 hours. But the other one is yeah, that's something else.
Real quick, I was wondering how do I get to the beta Eternal? I'm on my computer now, so I'm trying to catch up.
Okay. If you look
the
on
link is in the.
Oh yeah,
SanchoNet,
okay.
yes,
Sorry.
the one that
Got you. Okay.
that Van
Forgot
shared.
about that.
Oh, happy epoch's end, guys! It's been 24 minutes. We just entered epoch 323 on SanchoNet.
Yeah, Carlos asked me to do that before the epoch switch, but I told him it was like not possible for me because of the workshop, and because I obviously have to send you the transaction body file for you to sign it. But we have to do it now.
Let's do it.
Or else we're gonna lose our delegations because we're not active enough.
Oh yeah.
All right, so I'll build the transaction right now.
So are you saying I should vote? So you're saying I should vote no?
No, you should vote yes, because if you vote no, I mean, for anything else, I wouldn't mind. It's just that the devs need the cost model, right? And it's more than just playing with governance, right? I mean, I don't want to slow them down, so I would vote yes. Some people are just waiting for that to test those scripts, and I don't want to go against them. Of course,
okay, I vote no.
On a technical level, you can, but just don't do that. Let's be nice, right? Don't be a jerk.
All right, I have voted.
I feel like I'm a nice person.
We're all nice persons, aren't we?
All right. I have successfully
I was
voted.
gonna say, I was gonna say, you say I'm multiple people.
What time is it? Oh my god. Guys, we're almost finished. There's like 5 minutes left. Does everyone vote yet? You guys are all good?
Yep, just did.
Oh yeah! Good job. Awesome.
Yeah, I
Nice.
still got to, but
Nice.
I'm writing my C phrase down right now.
That's okay. You got 5 minutes. Let's go. Let's go.
I got this.
What
And
happens in 5 minutes?
the workshop's finished, but I'll still be here. It's just
No.
that I'll stop the recording pretty much. That's the only thing that's gonna happen. Yeah, it's good.
There's recording.
Oh yeah, if you don't want to, I can cut everything you say, and it won't be there. But it's just I believe it is funny, unless you don't want any persons to record your voice and use it to generate fake hue with an AI that would reproduce your voice to call your phone
And are you
company
making
and try to
are you-
sim swap
Are you
you.
making a deep fake of me?
What's that?
I said, Van, are you making a deep fake of me?
You wish.
Have you watched those news? That's not nudes. That's news. Fake thing there. That was hilarious.
Yeah, it's pretty funny.
With Charles Hoskinson and his luminescent mammoth dicks.
Yeah, that was
Wait, what?
hilarious.
That was hilarious.
Sorry, what did you just say?
You never watched it?
Bioluminescent woolly mammoth. It's a funny. It's you gotta listen to it.
Interesting.
You never No, you never did. Like he
Oh,
used
yeah.
AI to reproduce Charles Hoskinson voice like perfectly. It is. And he says stuff like, we've done peer-reviewed stuff, right? And nobody would believe that I could, do research about the luminescent mammoth dicks. And there was another one with the Cardano. I think there was the Cardano girl one, right? And
Oh yeah, that was controversial.
There's a first time for everything.
he called himself the how was it, the woolly mammoth daddy something. It was very funny. Anyway, that's it
Mike,
for that's it
Oh,
for
sorry.
yeah. I'm just gonna close it from now. So thanks for voting, guys. Thanks for being here. If you want to stay around, I'm just gonna stop the recording because we're done.
Can you guys see the metadata?